Visiting New York with kids can be overwhelming and expensive, but it doesn't have to be. I'm Camden with Free Tours by Foot, and we want to show you the top family-friendly things to do in New York City. We have a whole post covering our top 10, but also free things such as the 9/11 Memorial and nighttime activities like bowling. Visit our website linked below to find out more. At the top of our list is to take a sightseeing tour. We offer dozens of tours that are great for all ages, from Central Park to Soho, Little Italy, and Chinatown. Our tours are name your own price, so they're perfect for any budget. But if our schedule doesn't fit yours, we also have self-guided tours and GPS-enabled audio tours that you can take on your own time. You'll also find that hop-on, hop-off bus tours are a nice complement for our walking tours, especially for weary feet. Or hop on a bicycle built for two, or take a speedboat around the Statue of Liberty. Midtown Manhattan has a number of museums and attractions to entertain younger visitors, like Madame Tussauds, the Intrepid Sea, Air, and Space Museum, Dylan's Candy Store, and more, or just wander around Times Square. Kids also love taking rides on the subway, and it's free for kids with a ticket-holding adult. Enjoying the outdoors is easy in New York. Head to Central Park, where you'll find playgrounds, a carousel, and the popular Central Park Zoo. Spotting Lady Liberty is a must, whether it's from Lower Manhattan or on a cruise. There are sightseeing cruises that take you to the island, or the free Staten Island ferry that sails past it. Find out more about visiting the Statue of Liberty on our post here. New York City is home to some of the tastiest food in the country. A great way to try lots of classic New York food in small portions is to take one of our kid-friendly food tours. Otherwise, make sure you at least grab a slice of pizza and a bagel at one of the top spots we recommend. Give your regards to Broadway. You'll find a lot of Broadway shows geared towards families, and these will have daytime matinee shows. If you want to get a good view of New York, visit one of the 3 observation decks in Manhattan: Top of the Rock, One World Observatory, and the Empire State Building. You'll often find discounted rates for kids at these sites. There are a lot of great museums to take in while visiting New York. Your kids may be familiar with the Natural History Museum's famous Tyrannosaurus Rex, but there are a lot of other great, budget-friendly, kid-friendly museums to check out in New York. Did you know New York City has a few zoos? We suggest Central Park or the Bronx Zoo as the most popular, but also look into a trip to the New York Aquarium. Getting a lot of tickets for a number of attractions can really add up, so we suggest looking into a tourist pass, which can save you admission costs and time with skip-the-line options. Watch our next video for our advice on finding the right one for you. So there you have it, our top 10 things to do in New York City with kids. If you have any suggestions, join the conversation below and check out our blog post. Visit our website at freetoursbyfoot.com and subscribe to our channel here. We share expert advice and great photos from cities around the world.